Alright, what's up, channel? This is Alex Morgan. This is Trey, otherwise known as PIPED. Today we're gonna do a little sound comparison. He bought this old 97 Ford F-150 old hunting truck, beater, whatever. Got some blowed out glass packs on it. Finna take that there tool. What you got there, Trey?
Well, we got the old saws off. There you want.
Gonna do a little shade tree mechanicing on the exhaust here. We're gonna cut them old blowed out glass packs, put some 90s turn downs on it, see what she sounds like. Stand by, we'll give you a little sound comparison. We'll give you a little sound comparison. This was blowed out glass packs. Gonna cut them off, see what it sounds like without them.
That stinks.
Better.
Hello, YouTubers.
A new blade now.
Better.
New blade. Might need a new blade.
They're charged too.
My key is
Is a key in there?
It's a push start, but those ones are kind of weird.
Looks like I picked this emergency thing or something.
Probably. But this battery's almost dead. So, I got extra ones. Is my extra key in the house? Babe? Because this one, my heart is a key battery.
Alright, new battery, new blade. See if we can get it off there. Through there. Got the more wore out glass packs off. Running this catalytic converter straights off of it.
We cut these 90s off, weld them back to here. Cut these hangers off, weld them back to here.
It rubbed off so much. The one I've used all the time is the one that I always use, so it's started rubbing off.
About to break that one.
Now that on there.
Alright. Glass packs off.
There's no sound test.
And we'll give you a little sound test just got the tips on. Alright, we'll just give you a little sound test before we put tips back on it. Alright, go ahead, Trey. little deeper sound to it. Alright, now we gotta cut the hangers off the old mufflers.
I think maybe.
Get ready, weld them back on.
These 90s off, put them back on.
Put these tips back on there. Put these tips back on there, get ready.